Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It. Today I'm going to go over some inks that I won. Two from Sassy Family in her giveaway, and then Tina sent me I ordered, what did I order? The green and the black. Tina graciously sent me the blue along with this water decal. Put that over there. I love this. It's the two-tone. Let's see. I think it's beautiful. Tina says when you get the inks, you give them a gentle shake. There are balls inside for mixing. So we're going to do a little demo. I got my acrylic lipstick holder here that's holding my gel inks. So I have got blue, green, and black. I have got 5 nails. I don't know if I'm going to do 5. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm not really prepared mentally too much for a design. I'm just going to wing it. But first things, I want to touch on a couple of things. My birthday giveaway that's going on. I wasn't too clear in the instructions. I want you to go to all sponsors. Comment on their YouTube, their Instagram that I just sent you. And, which Boo Boo's Glitter Glory, I didn't know she had a YouTube page, so please go to her and subscribe to her channel. I know most of you have already followed the directions, but Boo Boo, I didn't know. The link is in the birthday giveaway video. So go back and look that up. Go to Boo Boo's and any other sponsor that you've missed. Make sure you comment on all their channels and their pages that I sent you, because I am checking. At first there was one person that was following the directions. A couple people I've told. A couple people understood on their own, even though I guess I wasn't too clear. And I'm sorry for that. That is my fault. I do want everybody to go subscribe to Boo Boo's Glitter Glory, her YouTube page, though. Make sure you please go do that. That's very important. It's important to her, and it is important to me. She is one of our sponsors. You will be getting a $25 goodie gift bag from Boo Boo. So, we're going to dive in here. Whoops. We're going to get me a nail. We are using gel, so we need our top coat. I wish this would fit in the case here, but it doesn't. We're going to put this on here. If you are here and haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. That is one of the rules to the giveaway, is to be subscribed. So you take your brush, you wipe off both sides as much as you possibly can. The top coat that I put on, you do not cure it. You put the dab of your ink on, and you wait for it to spread. And that's all you gotta do for right now. But it does spread. Ooh. With the top coat, it does spread just like when you do the cell transformation, the bubbles, which I think is just a beautiful design that Sassy came up with. And as you can see, they are spreading out. The dots are way bigger than what I put them on with the brush. I also want to take this chance to thank everybody who has reached out to me during my week of absence. I'm really touched. I'm very, very touched. I don't even know what to say. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling up to par. I've got nerves. I got anxiety problems real bad, and that's kind of what's going on. I'm just not feeling good. So I just want to leave it at that. And I thank everybody for your prayers. I thank you for reaching out to me. I think that it's just beautiful. So we're going to pop this one in the lamp. Give this a quick little cure. And hold on, my mother is texting me. So next we are going to dive into the, we're going to do the black smoky nail. I've been waiting for this one. I'm going to put 2-3 little dots there. I'm going to wait for them to spread. Monday the 15th is my birthday. That is when I will be drawing the names for the giveaway. There are, I forgot how many sponsors I have. 5 or 6. So there's going to be some lucky winners. And can't wait. I cannot wait for some goodness, for some blessings to be bestowed upon some people. I think it's going to be exciting, don't you? So if you haven't entered already, run right over, find that. I'll link the video at the end. That way you can find it. And all you gotta do is tap, tap, tap. Dab, dab, dab. You don't need to drag it. Just tap it. Tap, tap, tap. I think this is really cool. I just love how this looks. Just wipe off your brush on a paper towel, a tissue. At the end I will be cleaning it with rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. I'll let this spread for just a second longer. See what it does. Love, love, love a smoky nail. Next week, I know I seen Tina do the, what's it called? Hold on, let me pause for just 1 second. Alrighty, we are back. Sorry about that, but when Mother calls or texts, well, that's what I'm doing. So now we are going to do our green. Remember, wipe both sides of your brush off. You only need a little bit. Put me 2 little drops. Watch them spread. Sorry about the snotty nose. I don't know what's going on with me, but it's been going on for over a year. I don't know if it's allergies. They said I had seasonal allergies, but I don't know. Does that mean all year long? So we're gonna wait for just a few seconds more. Let this spread. Let's see if we can help it by tilting it down. Help it run a little bit in that direction. Don't forget, folks, if you're just tuning in or if you've skipped ahead, go check out my giveaway. Make sure you comment, follow, subscribe. All my sponsors, they are gracious enough to sponsor this giveaway, then you should be gracious enough to follow along. Right? Right. Subscribe to their channel. Oh, this green's much lighter than I thought. Follow and subscribe to their channels. You could be missing a lot of great nail art, giveaways, contests. I'm going to get me just a little bit more here. It's a lot lighter than what I thought it would be. Dab, dab, dab. Dab, 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 dab. I do love these inks. I think they're so pretty. What do you think? What do you think about the green? I'll let this spread here just a little bit longer. I'm going to get this nail, and I think I'm going to do the blue and the black. See how they look marbled together? I'm gonna let them spread. Oh, they've already started. I'll put that in the lamp, give that a full cure. I'm gonna top coat them all together. I have a fifth nail here, but I don't think I'm going to do a fifth nail. It started wrinkling on me, as you can probably see there. I thought I put this on pretty thin, but it wrinkled. So, we're going to go in now with our blue. Tap, 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 as Chica says. Tap it out. We'll go over to our black. That's beautiful. Definitely got more black than we had blue. Oops, missed the whole lid of the bottle. So what do you think of the blue and the black? There we go. Gonna pop this in the lamp. We give those a full cure. Wait for them to come out. Now with the lipstick containers, you don't have to take the bottles out to open or close. They are perfect size. You can just spin the lids and they, you know, they open, they close all on their own. I am going to use, where is my top coat? Diva in a Bottle by Princess Nails by Diana. The no white top coat. Love, love, love this. You gotta check out divainabottle.com for all your nail polish needs. She's got a lot of collections, a lot of different colors you to pick from. She's added a lot of great items onto her website. You should go check those out immediately. If you haven't subscribed to Diana's channel, Princess Nails by Diana, go check her out. Tell her I sent you. She does acrylics and polygels, and she's just a whiz. She's who really helped me get started on my journey with acrylics. She's who taught me, and I thank her dearly. She really helped me out a lot. She sent me products that I needed to start with, and then all her guidance and instructions and teachings. She really helped me out a great deal. A great deal. So Diana, I thank you, honey. Love you. Got a few more seconds here on the lamp, and we're going to be pulling our nails out and top coating them and seeing the finished product. Oh, and they are finito. Here is our blue. Blue, blue, blue. My room is kind of cold, so my top coats are thicker. Oh, man. I don't want to pull another one out. Here we go. There is our blue. Our blue and black. I think these are beautiful. I really do. Sorry if I'm being so quiet. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of lost in the head right now. Let's see what we got. Now we got our black smoky nail. Kind of really spread out, didn't it? Tina did one. I feel like I'm wheezing. with the blue and the black, or maybe it was, wait, let me think here, on a white nail. I think she took the, well, how did she do it? I know she used the stencil glue in the video. And I know she used the black ink. I thought she used the blue as well. You have to check out SheModern's videos here on YouTube and see what I'm talking about. So here we go. We're going to pop these in the lamp and we will be right back. Okay, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp, which just made a noise. These are the 4 nails, the 3 gel inks that I played with today. The smoky gel black, blue and black, green, and the blue. I like how these turned out. The green's definitely a lot lighter than what I anticipated, or expected. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the SheModern inks, the gel, my designs, all of it. Ooh, don't forget to subscribe. Please click the bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future uploads. I would greatly appreciate that. Your presence. If you are new here, please leave me a comment down below and say hello. Let a girl know you're here. Well, that's it for today. See you next time and have a blessed day. Thank you.